Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make racing rockets. So let's start. Draw a triangle and a small triangle and the circle. You can also make a person. And draw the smoke make moon and the stars and the earth. Draw the earth. Draw Asia. Now draw North America. Now South America. Now Australia. Now make Africa and Antarctica. Now draw the stars. Now draw the moon. The star's yellow. For the sky blue. Finish look. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and like.